I'm Miss G. I'm a 5th grade math and science teacher at Taft Middle School, and I'm back again this week to go over your Learning at Home packet for week 2 for 5th grade. Week 2 runs from April 13th to April 17th. We're asking the same thing we did last week, that each day you do an hour of learning, and that hour is split up as 20 minutes of reading and writing, 20 minutes of math, and then 20 minutes of science and social studies. So for reading, a couple examples of the assignments you will have. We're asking you to read your studies weekly. So that's nice because it's a social studies work assignment and then a reading assignment, so you kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone there. There's a reading in your packet called Land Beneath the Waves that kind of has some notes with it that go over unstated main idea. And then there's some work about character traits and text structures that we would like you to do as well. For writing this week, we have some prompts, one about the story of your name, opinion writing, and a writing prompt about if you were president. For math, we're asking you to use a ruler and measure items in your home or that you find outside you pick. There's also a math is art assignment using tangrams, which should be pretty fun. There's a little riddle kind of question about Farmer Brown, and then we have a Connect 4 addition review, and we suggest you play Prodigy. And I know most of you love playing Prodigy, so I'm sure there's no complaints there. So in science, we're doing matter and energy and ecosystems. So we're talking about the way energy is transferred through food webs. And it is really in-depth and detailed. You have some really great activities to kind of grow your brain around that information. And then for social studies, we are doing another studies weekly this week. Read it, do the activities in it. Remember to split them up a little bit so you're not doing all your social studies in one day. But that's it for social studies. So the packet is structured the same way as it was last week. You have all your information on the very front pages about how to do it and what to do, and then some of the resources are throughout the packet. If you need anything, remember your teacher has office hours and they're available to help you, to play whatever game you have assigned to you, anything like that. So make sure you're using your resources and contacting your teacher when you need help, because we want to help because that's what we do.